Everyone forgets or loses things from time to time. It's human nature. What if there was a way you could free the important belongings from everyday clutter, keep them visible, and always have them where you need them? Hi, my name's Simon, and I'm excited to talk about a product that does just that. It's called Gecko Hub. Gecko Hub is a simple, wall-mounted organiser for the important things you always need to hand. Things like your wallet, your phone, your car keys, your glasses, receipts, notes, and more. The list goes on. To store something in Gecko Hub, you simply push it in. Gecko Hub will bend and adapt to securely hold your belongings in place until you need them. When you do, you just grab them and go. Gecko Hub's matrix can be used to store all sorts of things in lots of different ways. It helps to declutter surfaces, all while elevating the important things somewhere more visible and convenient. It's more compact than shelves and cabinets, so you won't bump into it in narrow hallways or tight spaces. And it's small enough to be installed in places around the home where other things just won't fit. You can install Gecko Hub in minutes using strong yet fully removable adhesive pads which won't damage your wall. This means you can fix it to tricky surfaces too. For something even stronger and more permanent, you can also screw it to walls too. Oh, and another thing, Gecko Hub is seamlessly modular. That's right, you can tile together as many as you want to create the perfect size and shape of storage space for you. Gecko Hub assembles without any glue, and it's designed to be durable and fixable. Being able to switch the rubber parts means that you can mix and match the colours between two or more Gecko Hubs to create your very own piece of wall art. We made an early version of Gecko Hub a few years ago, and it was very popular. The people who were lucky enough to get their hands on one loved it. This version is more versatile, durable, reliable, and stylish than the original version, so I think you'll love it even more. I just wanted to take a second to say thank you. It's because of people like you that Kickstarter is the place that it is today. And it's because of Kickstarter that we've been able to successfully get several inventions off the ground and out into the world before. I'm hoping that with your help and the help of other backers, we can make Gecko Hub 2 the next idea.